We want everybody to feel safe, and we want everybody to see what we're doing so that they can feel safe. When the public is traveling through IAH, they should expect a clean and sanitized airport. Now we're using a sprayer to sanitize all of our areas of responsibility. So we use a chemical that specifically combats COVID-19. It has an effective contact time of less than a minute. So we've added that to our processes to make sure we include all the touch points. We've added some more hand sanitizing units throughout the airport, everywhere that we have contact. Outside the elevators, at the end of the escalators, by the restrooms, everywhere that we can, we're trying to put that so that everybody can have access, easy access to those dispensers. All of us here at IAH are pulling in the same direction. We're looking at making sure that this is a safe place to travel, that you don't have to worry about it being a dirty airport, that we make it as clean as possible. We want everybody to feel safe.